Hi, this time we will talk about plants. This plant very popular in the world. We will talk about black pepper because it was very popular. Southeast Asian countries like Indonesia, whose land was suitable for this spice plant. They became a magnet for Europeans and some of their allies to come. Initially, it was to find this spice, but later became the ruler. Pepper has several health benefits. One of them is body warmers. So it is not surprising that Europeans, the majority of whom have cold temperatures, come to Asia to find pepper. In addition, several other benefits are as a decrease in the risk of cancer, maintain skin health, maintain digestive health, maintain respiratory health, and many other benefits. For cultivation of black pepper plants is not so difficult, but there are some things that must be considered, such as soil, location, and climate needed by these plants. Here are several types of soil that have a good nutrient content for this plant. Soils, such as oxisol, vertisol, andisol, and sandy clay are very suitable for this plant. For a suitable location, the ideal height for this type of plant is 0 to 500 meters above sea level. If the location of the land is higher, the results are not optimal. Also for climate, black pepper will grow well in conditions of humidity between 200 to 300 degrees and rainfall between 2,000 to 3,000 millimeters per year. After some of these conditions are met, we can continue to cultivate black pepper, of course with the stages, which they should pass. The first what must be done is seed selection, although not a guarantee because it depends on other stages. But the selection of superior and good quality seeds can certainly contribute to producing good quality black pepper. Second is the land processing stage. Land preparation does depend on how many cultivation plants will be planted. Polybags are appropriate if you have limited land. If enough land is available, the preparatory steps are clearing land from weeds such as grass and others. Hoe the soil as deep as 40 centimeters and add manure to enrich the nutrients in the soil. Leave it for several days. Plant it when the seedlings are old enough and suitable for planting. This condition must be ensured so that the risk of dead plants can be minimized. Take the black pepper seeds in a polybag, tear the polybag, and remove it to put it in the hole that was previously prepared. Cover the hole with soil that has been mixed with compost. The next most decisive step in the process of black pepper cultivation is good and consistent care. Perform fertilization to add plant nutrients needed for photosynthesis. Moreover, if it has already begun to bear fruit, then the need for nutrients increases. For better results, let's try to plant any crop. Good luck and success for us.